this is the reverse route to the Seweweekspoort. There's another dassie across the road. But this is recording now in 4K. So we're going to go from here through the pass back onto the R62. We'll take the road to Kalinsdorp. Says that there's a nice Italian place in town for eating.
What's happening?
I'm letting the car past.
Okay.
It's not nice being stuck behind somebody else driving or letting him past because
You took video.
No, not because I'm taking a video. It's just I don't particularly want to drive fast. I want to actually admire the scenery.
You think Abigail, she can use your pamper?
I hope so.
When you give to her?
I hope it's the start of a budding YouTube career. Driving to try and avoid all the ruts and outcrops of rock. You can talk, you know what I can do is I can edit a lot of this. Put in some music.
I don't know what I'm going to do.
Sorry, you don't know?
I don't know what I want to talk to you.
You don't want to talk to me?
I don't know what I want to ask you. I don't know.
The way you said it there was you don't want to talk to me.
I don't know what thing I want to ask to you. Have more conversation. I don't know.
Oh, you've run out of things to say. No, as a lady, that doesn't make sense because normally you just have things to say. It's like
What?
you and your friend, you talk all day at work and then you can still talk.
Excuse me, how we can have time talk all day at work? We can't. No time to talk.
I love that WhatsApp I got. Somebody asked me, where will I be a year from now? I said, I don't know. He said, why? He says, I don't have 20/20 vision. When you've got perfect eyesight, it's called 20/20, okay? And next year is called 2020, right? So it's a joke.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't have 20/20 vision.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, huh?
Where do you see yourself a year from now? I don't have 20/20 vision.
2020. But every year same, nothing change. Different. Only year.
No, you see, that's where people lose time, and days and months and years are just a way to measure time. Nothing changes. It's just a way of recording. On this day, this happened, or on this day, this is going to happen. All of this, oh, next year is going to be different. It's not. It's just another day.
Shame. Oh, the same.
Well, you can change things. You can move on, and you can change the way you do things, and start in small ways and improve on things. But just because it's a new year doesn't mean things are going to be different. Unless, of course, you're talking about a tax year. I'm watching this poor GoPro camera wobble from side to side. There's those flowers again. Different YouTube videos and things. Like, remember that program I was telling you about, Look What You're Missing? It is quite odd to me that that one episode only had 400 views. You would think it's virtually a television production. Well, it was. It did actually air on satellite TV in this country. And it only has, what's it? Maybe they haven't marketed the YouTube side of it because they were selling DVDs.
Oh yeah.
The DVD was very cheap. It was like 95 grand. I bought one. It seems to have gone astray. I don't know where it is now. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm glad I came. This pass is magnificent. This area has really been hit hard by a drought, and I'm listening to people in Kurusklov restaurant talk. They're saying that, you know, there's people driving to give them water.
Oh, really? Why?
Because there just isn't enough water, you know, to try and donate, like a charity. But if you look around here, there is certain parts of it that seems to be well irrigated. You know what irrigated is?
I don't
It's my name. Put water on the plants, you know, like.
But they make what's English say you use the water underneath on the land.
Under the ground.
Yeah.
Boreholes.
Yeah,